So I just wanted to show you this little bit of a quick hack. This is relatively common for people to do in my cars. When I have the pan off, if I can, I'll try and do it. But you just put a little bit of a shim, or a washer in this case, under the spring for the pressure relief valve in the pump for the engine. When you shim this, you're going to preload that spring and it's going to raise the actual pressure that the oil pump's going to maintain by a little bit. Depending on how thick the shim is going to be how much the pressure is going to go up. I wouldn't go crazy and throw a bunch of washers in there because your oil pressure is going to be way too high. I just recommend just start with one washer, probably about 1 max 2 mil in thickness. That should be enough for a start. That's probably going to give you a couple more PSI, which is hopefully going to prevent any issues with oil starvation or low pressure in certain parts of your engine. So behind here is the spring and the relief valve for the pressure on the pump. So you just need a 10 mil Allen to remove this. So this is what the assembly looks like when it comes out. The spring sitting against the plug, and then the cap here. So inside here, we're just going to place a washer about 1 mil thick, just to preload that spring a little bit more to increase the pressure. Alright, so just a quick little video just showing you how to shim that oil pump. So that washer probably going to bump the pressure about 5, at most 10 psi for the system pressure. So that's just going to help potentially reduce any engine damage and make sure that everywhere's got sufficient pressure, especially if you're running an oil cooler, which is going to reduce the whole system pressure because it makes it a lot larger in capacity. Make sure you do that plug up really tight with a bar as well, because you don't want that nut to come loose and then it to drop out and to lose all oil pressure into the pan. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.